So we're looking for the elusive graveyard.
Yeah. Only a graveyard with kids.
Only a graveyard with just kids buried?
Yeah. Oh, stick.
So a lot of these, aren't they called spikes?
Yeah, spikes. Railroad spikes.
So what do you think that's for?
It goes over the. It holds down the tracks on the inside. See it? It holds them together. You see all the spikes coming up? So see them?
Yeah. So this track, it was just used. A train just went down this.
Yeah, the train just.
You know what? Could drill holes in them and make like a wind chime with this really heavy, like a really super heavy wind chime.
Or even better, just tack weld a little wire on them, loop.
What's that?
Tack a wire loop on them.
And do what?
So you can hang them.
Oh yeah.
Because it's too hard to drill through them, I think. Look at the pile.
Wow, somebody already did it. Somebody's already been piling them up.
I think so.
Yeah.
That looks pretty new.
It could actually be the railroad workers. There's another one right here. Could be the railroad workers that piled them up to, maybe they're old ones that they replaced, or maybe they're new ones to go in. But they're everywhere. So I'm guessing that means there's a crossing at the coming up.
That's a weird color too.
I know there's a lot of rocks like that right around here. Strange
color.
I don't know if it's picking it up, but
that oil.
Yeah.
Oily color. Like a shell.
There's your tire. The tire that's everywhere. Is that the same tire? Yep, always gonna find a tire.
Always gonna find a tire when you want.
Apparently, there's a petroleum pipeline right here. We're walking along. So this is the pipeline that probably goes up to Phoenix from Tucson and from Texas. Oh, and there's another tire. That was interesting what you said though. How do people jump off a train when it looks like this?
It'll land on that.
Land on all these sharp rocks. Yeah, that's a big one. Cactus. Gotta be careful of the cactus around here.
Little trail.
Yeah, now it's all opened up. I mean, there's a lot of brush over there, but over here, it's pretty much wide open, although there might be a fence over there.
Isn't there another railroad track right there?
There's another railroad track. Yeah.
I thought there was.
Let's go over there. You want to?
Yeah, let's...
There's a fancy pair of slacks there for you, Clay. I think that's what that is.
And I didn't even have to go to Ross.
That's right. And you can try these on. You can't get into a dressing room at Ross, but you can try these on right here.
They look a little too fancy for me. But I got my eye on that. I don't know what it is, but it looks like a little
but you like
spider cage or something.
It does look like a little terrarium or whatever they call those.
Yeah.
Nice.
What a
shopping.
find. Arizona shopping.
Yeah, it looks like somebody just dumped old oil cans and stuff like that.
Yeah.
But we're talking probably 30 years ago. Yeah, these must be newer tracks because they have cement supports instead
concrete,
of railroad tie supports. Different kind of attachments too.
They look broken in the middle.
What's that?
They look like this.
Oh, they're slanting. Oh, they're slanting in. Yeah. So that was an old house, cabin, kinda, but someone probably lived there. Don't you think?
Yeah.
And it's got an old corrugated steel roof that has caved in, laying on the side. I wonder what that tank was. Clay and I are checking out Vail, or is this Old Vail? What would you call this?
This is Old Vail.
Old Vail, like the original part of the town, and there's an old mission over there, and we went down the tracks and checked out some old falling apart abandoned buildings and things like that. So look at that old bus. It's, what year do you think it is? 40s?
Ooh, yeah.
It's got an area to carry stuff on top. It actually looks like it has an air conditioner on top.
Yeah, somebody cut it out.
Converted it. But it looks like a little RV. So I wonder why they ended up with that. Maybe it's just been sitting there for 20 years, 30 years.
It belongs to the people who own that house over there.
This building is pretty cool, but it looks like they just kept the original building and then built the roof over the top, which is just to protect it. So that's kind of cool.
Yeah, but that's what they did at Fort Little Park to stop the ruins from getting all broken down by the elements.
Yeah, and there's a video. I have a video of that too on the channel.
And they did the same thing. If you ever been to Casa Grande, they have the Casa Grande ruins.
I've not been there, but I want to do a
huge, and they got this big gigantic overhang that covers the whole thing. It's made out of steel.
So does this mean they're actually going to preserve this building? It kind of looks like
what the building used to look like over here.
Oh, that's cool. Oh, and they're raising money to preserve this. And here is the
filling station.
Is that what it says?
I don't know.
Mail on the fly in Vail. So that's the train.
The train come by and grab the mail bag?
Oh, really? So this could easily be one of Vail's early postmistresses, Evie Schley, placing a mail bag on an F-shaped crane positioned next to railroad tracks. Yeah, so it appears they just dropped the mail right into the train.
Here's some little stories from everybody that lived here. This is Bunny Hansen and her friends at the Vail Depot in 1947.
It looks like my mom in the middle when she was younger like that.
Yeah.
Yeah, so they're just holding this roof up until they can get this completed. It's got this old adobe section under the windows, and it's two different. I don't know if that's just eroded more right there. I don't know if that's just eroded more, or if it was just a completely different way of building it than over there. That's blocks, and this looks just like mud.
Yeah. they're actually blocks. You can see the layers. It's adobe.
Yeah.
That's how they made adobe. Probably look inside.
Thank you.
Walls that they had to make.
Yeah, it's like just over time they just did it in different ways.
Yeah, preservation area.
Yep, that's the office or whatever where they're
The U.S. Post Office.
making
right?
plans, I guess.
Used to be the post office.
The post office, and I don't think it was that long ago. Old Vail and Colossal Cave Road. So I guess that answers the question if this is Old Vail. Yeah, this is a pretty cool idea. Yeah, they probably take it into Tucson. But this Cleaners is just in a little 20-foot shipping container.
Yeah. Land sea.
What did you say?
Land sea container.
Is that what you, the land sea? Oh, land sea, okay.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's kind of cool.
Everything out of the interior aircraft inside those.
It's a pretty cool birdhouse up here. It's like a 6-room hotel. So it's not a mission, it's a shrine, the shrine of Santa Rita. And there's some information over here. Shrine of Santa Rita in the desert. There's a photo from the 30s and 40s. Here's opening dedication, March 31st, 1935. I think it was the year after my mom was born. Same date. They do have a gift shop here. I don't know what kind of things they have, but it's closed. Hey, thanks for joining us here at Fit for Expedition and at fitforexpedition.com. We have a website, that's the name. If you like the video, give it a thumbs up. If you like the channel and you like to subscribe, maybe you're new here, you haven't seen any of our videos before, but you liked it, hit the subscribe button. Also, if you want to get notifications of new videos as they come up, just ring that little bell. This is a 1 pound, little 1 pound dumbbell. Hey, and also share this with your friends if you think they'd like it. And once again, thanks for joining us at Fit for Expedition.